Hello, class, and good afternoon. Welcome as we officially enter into our fall 2022 semester. This is your instructor, Javier Black, and welcome to Hospitality Cost Control. Um, this is just the introduction video briefly, and I'm not going to go into details with this video in terms of the week one content, but I just want you all to just get familiar with the desire to learn course layout. So first thing that you want to do is when you log on here is you want to go to the home page, and I want everybody to make sure at first read the welcome messages that I have down here. It's very important, as well as my contact information. And then from there, I want everyone to go to the content page. And with the content page, you could just kind of briefly browse down with the different sections. For example, the Start Here category happens to disclose my instructor information. Also, it's important to look over the resources. For example, the resources that we have available for our online courses here at the college to help you to succeed, which leads into the next section, which happens to be student success. And it just kind of gives a connection to the learning styles within an online environment. So I want everybody to also take a look at that as well. You also have student support services, and that is if you have any technical issues that you may encounter with the online layout of this course. It just gives you a phone number, also gives you an email, and also you have for after hours support, a technical support team that will definitely help you out with desire to learn. The next one would be expectations. So as a student, what is expected of you within this course? And that is to validate your success throughout the course of this semester. So make sure that you look at the expectations portion. And then also, you will find your syllabus in the syllabus category. So what you could do with the syllabus, you could save it to the hard drive of your computers. You can also have it printed out and put in a folder as well too for hard copy. And then another thing that I've done as well too is I've also uploaded the textbook. The textbook is made available for everyone. So all you have to do is click on to the Vital Source book holder, and there is no charge to you for the textbook. The textbook has already been made available. Now, question, do you need the textbook? Yes, you do. A lot of our assignments and discussions, as well as our projects, happen to be centered around our textbook along with the quiz, or the quizzes that I'm going to give you throughout the term of the semester. So one last thing here before I wrap this video up. As you start and begin the official launch to this course, make sure that you click on quizzes. And I want everyone to take this quiz on the 10 P's, the course expectations. So as you review the introduction or the introductory content, make sure that you happen to take the course expectations quiz by clicking on quizzes. Okay, everybody, this concludes our introduction video. Now, what I'm going to do is within the week one content, I will be following you up within the next day or so with an instructional video that's going to be included. Okay, everybody, as you happen to look at this, it is Friday, August the 19th, 12:27 p.m. Once again, this is your instructor, Javier Black, and have a great weekend. And I will be talking to everybody very soon.